Welcome to Sarasota Home Specialist's New Construction Spotlight. I'm Nikki Betz. As your local realtor and an avid golfer, I am thrilled to show you this Arnold Palmer designed 36-hole golf course community, Lakewood National. Lakewood National is located just off Highway 64 in Lakewood Ranch. Driving into this gated community, you will be greeted with lush landscaping, endless golf course views, and wowed by the resort-style amenities Lakewood National provides. Providing a wide range of options for every buyer, from condos to coach homes, executive style to estate style single-family homes, there are options for each buyer. Condos beginning in the low 200s and single-family homes beginning in the low 400s. The resort amenities for this golf community are endless. From walk-in entry pool with serene waterfall to 8 lit tennis courts, there really is no need to leave your Florida getaway spot. The picturesque views from many of the lots give you water and golf course view options. Lennar is known for the usefulness of space to accommodate entertaining and growing families. The ease of the lifestyle in Lakewood National come full circle with affordable HOAs, including lawn maintenance. For questions on Lakewood National or on any of your home buying or selling goals, give Sarasota Home Specialist a call or DM us. We are here for you, the client, and your best interests are always our first and only goal.